Hey guys, if the double tap feature is not working on your Apple Pencil, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this. So there's 4 different methods that we can use to fix this. The first thing you need to do is just unlock your iPad screen and then head over to the settings icon. From here, we need to come down to Bluetooth and select this, and underneath My Devices, you should see your Apple Pencil inside of him. Now, what you need to do is just click on this information button next to your Apple Pencil, and then select Forget this device and click Forget Device. Then we're going to turn our Bluetooth off, and now make sure your Apple Pencil is separated from the iPad like so, and then we can turn the Bluetooth back on. And then finally, you can reconnect your pencil to the iPad. Just place it on its side like so, and that's going to automatically reconnect your Apple Pencil to your iPad. Now, sometimes just doing this alone can fix the issue. If you are still getting the error, then what we need to do is come down on the left and select General, click on Software Update, and from here, just make sure you're running the latest iOS on your device. Then come down on the left to Apple Pencil and select this, and then just make sure you have the double tap feature enabled here. So if it's set to off, obviously, you'll need to change that to one of these. And if that still doesn't work, the last thing we're going to do is make sure your Apple Pencil is connected onto the side of the iPad, like so. Then come down to the Accessibility tab. From here, come down to Apple Pencil and select this, and make sure this double tap gesture and all of the double tap settings here are enabled. As you can see on the screen here, I've got all of mine turned on. And by following all of the steps in this video, that should have now fixed the double tap feature on your Apple Pencil. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.